Just want to give a few pointers. This is Honda Civic Hybrid 06. I think pretty much the same to 06 to 11. Doing a complete overhaul refresh. Just a few items to note. The hardest one, I would say, was the thermostat. It's right here. It's behind this that cover. To get to it, all of this had to come out. The other thing that I was doing was changing all the motor mounts. There was quite vibration from the motor, and you can see why. So here's one. You can see the crack there, right there. This is the transmission mount, which was here. Got the replacement installed. Same with, they call it a torque. This one, torque mount. It's in the back. So here's the reason. You can see. Yeah, so since I'm here, I'm doing this mount. The back one was easy. The motor mount was quite easy as well. I did a lot, all the suspension parts. So control arm, tie rod, CV shaft, brakes. The struts I replaced before, so these were okay, but they all needed replacing. So here's the reason for it, even though it was okay. So this was the steering tie rod, and you can see it easily moves. So yeah. What else to note? There's it's EGR recirculation chamber. It's right under here. It's actually quite easy to get to. There are other ports and valves that let the gases come through, but they all end up here before they go to the intake. And there's a lot of carbon buildup there. I saw a video of someone pointing this out, and I did that too. It wasn't too hard, just open it up, all 10 millimeters, and clean the carbon up. Spark plugs, belt tensioner. The idler pulley, it was wobbly, so I got that changed. New belt. Yeah, that's it. And all the fluid's gonna bleed the brake fluid. Already got the transmission drain, coolant drain, engine oil drain. Gonna fill them all up after I'm done here. But it's a good overhaul to keep this old car running.